Good morning, YouTubers and creators and viewers. Bears Rod Shop, BRS. You know, I'm a Capricorn. I'm really not skeptical, but being a hobbyist and new machinist and not very long, you know, I had a column mill for about 3 years. Didn't use it a lot. Loving this whole thing. Everything is working good. Wife didn't really show that belt very long, but she's holding up really good. The gist of this morning is I had my doubts about the DRO 2/10. And this is a pretty nice DRO because it goes down into the tenths. And do I cut that or do I hone that? I've been shooting for that same right here, everything written down, the 21-22 below top surface cut, everything on the little Joe blocks coming out. And so I've got a piece of high-speed steel ground here, and I'll be jiggers. I don't have a time to change my Joe blocks over, but you can see that we are floating. I mean, if you had a flashlight, you could see that 2/10. So I think I'm going to put this over here. I think I'm going to leave this sucker right there. It is I can't hardly feel, but I can barely catch my fingernail. I'm talking about it is, that DRO is telling me it goes down 2/10. So I'm not going to make another spring pass. I'm going to put them down. I'm going to put this over on the surface plate with the height gauge once I'm all done. And I think it's not going to take much effort to lap down. I'm not trying to make a precision tool for production around here. I just want to see if I can get down within zero tolerance. And yeah, I am well pleased. Now I've got to learn all the other functions on the bolt patterns and, you know, arcs and everything on that DRO, but it'll all come around. All right, y'all have a great weekend. We're going to take off here at 3 o'clock, clean up, be over stockyards for the old graduation. Well, it's not graduation, excuse me, high school reunion at 5:30. Get a parking place and enjoy it, and hope we get home before midnight, because I go to bed about 10 o'clock. And it's over 9:30, so I'm going to speed on home and get in bed. And y'all have a great weekend. Please share. Please put comments in the bottom. And like I say, I haven't got any feedback yet. I haven't even got any likes. But you folks, good folks from West Virginia, hope you get a chuckle out of this. And I can't call it anything I told you yesterday. Harold's got the title of the American Redneck Workshop. So this is the old Boyd Keeter, we'll call it the Boyd Keeter shop for BRS. We're out of here, and we're having fun this morning throwing some chips. Come back and visit. Back on the Dayton hopefully next week and finish it up so we can start cutting some material. We're out of here.